Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare Doodly with Animaker. The first thing I'm going to compare our pricing plans. Then I will look on the features like what you can actually build with Animaker and what you can actually create with Doodly. I own Doodly, I paid for the program, so you won't see just like random videos of how Doodly works. I'm going to show you straight away what you can do with it. The biggest difference between Doodly and Animaker before we start is that Doodly is all about the whiteboard, right? That you can insert things on the whiteboard. On the other hand, Animaker is like this 3D, let me show you, that you can create a video with, right? Promote product and service. With Doodly, it's all about like painting on the whiteboard, I would say. So this is the biggest difference. Now, when we go further to the pricing plan, this is really important. What I want to share with you is that Doodly doesn't have a free trial. You can't actually try the program before you buy the product. So let's say I'm going to with a standard 39 bucks a month, or you can have like annual 20 bucks a month, and you can have literally everything here, everything covered. But Doodly is hyper aggressive with their pricing and the way how they can milk money from you. What do I mean by that? Straight away, when you're gonna pay for the standard $39, that's like 32 euro, you have to pay, they will ask you to upsell 3 different courses or 3 different features that are going to offer you. Also, when you come here to Doodly, do you think that you're gonna have like paint characters? No, you don't, only because they are going to be, and I own the standard version, only because you have to pay another $76 as a one-time to actually use those colorful characters. And I'm like, okay. And even when you go, like, let me show you to that I'm going to discard and I'm going to open Doodly again. You're gonna have the marketplace here, Doodle Toolbox, more character images, edit masterclass, how to use it, rainbow add-on, this is those $67. And yep, so there's like, damn. So this is something you should definitely keep in mind. Marketplace Doodly, that okay, it's pretty cheap, but you have plenty of in-app purchases that you need to buy to have more things in it. And they're like, okay, I understand. That's the way how their business model is set up, but it's something that you should definitely know. So let's go further. So this is the pricing of Doodly. When I come here to Animaker on the other hand, it's on monthly basis. Too, that you got basic, starter, pro, or enterprise. You see the basic starter, and you see the 10 premium downloads a month, 20 premium downloads a month that you got limited. Another thing is that Animaker is a web-based and Doodly is as a software. So with the Animaker, you're actually editing everything on a web platform. There is a disadvantage in that when your internet is going to fall down, so you need to save a lot. When your internet is going to fall off and it's not going to be working, you're going to lose your work. And you can continue working in Animaker. On the other hand, with the Doodly, it's really great that you can have it as in your computer. So that's pretty good. But also there is a disadvantage that you can't work it anywhere, right? That if you're going to use different computer, you just can't use it. Maybe if you can download the Doodly. But let's say that I'm working in the office and I have a time and I can use Animaker, but I can't use Doodly. So that's another thing that you should definitely keep in mind if you want to use Doodly or Animaker. But the biggest difference is that with the Doodly, you're gonna have actual with the Doodly, you're gonna have, like, you can just work it from the software and it's a whiteboard. It's not an animation software as Animaker. Now, when we compare the basic, starter, or pro, enterprise, so you see it here, the basic starter, 20 bucks, 35 bucks pro, Doodly, $39, basic starter, 5 premium downloads, 10 premium downloads. You are limited how many downloads you can do. You can do with the pro, that's 20 premium downloads a month. And you're gonna have like literally covered everything there. And you can build your own custom characters. Now, when we come here to how it actually works and what you can do with it. So when we come here to Animaker, you see the characters here. Let's say that I'm going to delete the character here. I can simply choose this woman. I'm going to make it bigger. And now she's explaining, or I can go See? And right now she's going to wave. And voila, here we go. So she's waving right now. Or you can simply choose what you want. She's angry. She's thinking. On the other hand, Doodly, when you come here, this is not Doodly, this is Video Scribe. So I click here on my project. I click characters. I have Abraham here. I just edit. And I can't really do too much animation. So as I mentioned, it's all about painting, right? So when I'm going to play it, look at this preview. See, the difference is there that you don't have the hand here. It's Animaker is really great if you want to create explanation video, if you want to explain things. On the other hand, when you come here to Doodly, it's all different. Now they both got plenty of characters that you can use, but you have to pay if you want to have colorful ones, right? So that's like for me disadvantage that I have to actually buy it. So I'm going to move also in here. And I have like scene settings here that I can change the hand. And Animaker, as you can see, I can add, let's say, emoji, stickers, background, images, plenty of things, right? And this is how we do it. You can also switch to expressions that you can make them angry, annoyed, or just like happy. So also, this is pretty much it how we do it. So to summarize this whole video, Doodly is okay. Doodly is for whiteboard. Animaker is for explanation animation videos or like templates or like social media that you can use. They're both great, but they got different purpose. That's the first thing. The second thing is that with Doodly, it's on software for PC that you can install or for Mac. On the other hand, Animaker is all about how we can create it on the web page. That's another thing. Also, pricing of Doodly is hyper aggressive, that you have to actually buy a lot of things to use it fully. That is not only $39 a month, it's another $100 if you want to have everything or even more. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope I gave you more advice what you can do and what you can use. If you have any questions, ask me down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help you, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.